Hello everyone, I am Dr. Aditya from the Shoulder and Knee Clinic. So you are planning to undergo an ACL surgery or you have already undergone an ACL surgery. There are a lot of questions running through your mind with regards to how your recovery is going to be post surgery, what all do you expect, and how can I optimize recovery. So today we are going to exactly discuss that topic, recovery post an ACL reconstruction surgery. So let's dive deep into that. So post surgery, if let's say that there is no meniscus injury, there was no meniscus repair performed, typically on the same day of the surgery you can start putting weight on the knee. Initially you will be using crutches or a walker in addition to a brace to walk. What we need to understand is post an ACL surgery, physiotherapy is very important, and physiotherapy will give you 40% of the result, 60% of the result is as a result of surgery. So if you don't do physiotherapy well, you will not recover from the surgery. Majority of the patients who have undergone an ACL surgery are not happy with the surgery, generally are those individuals who have not done physiotherapy well. I'm not saying that there were no issues with the surgery, but what I'm saying is if at your end you want to optimize the results, it's very important to do physiotherapy well. So typically day 0 you start walking with the help of a brace and a walker. You are discharged typically the same day or the next day of the procedure. Now initially post surgery there will be some swelling around your knee joint. Initially you may get pain while doing the physiotherapy, but if you are brave enough, if you do physio well, typically by the end of first or second day pain starts coming down and you are quite comfortable. Initial first session of physiotherapy is painful, especially when they make you bend your knee joint, but typically after that pain starts coming down and your comfort level will improve. There is a stage-wise rehabilitation after the ACL surgery. So typically for first couple of weeks you are using a brace and crutch to walk. After a couple of weeks, if you are comfortable, first the crutches are discontinued, then the brace is discontinued, and around 3 weeks you can start walking normally. Around 6 weeks you can join a gym. Now there is a stage-wise rehabilitation protocol after the surgery, and how we progress from one stage to the other depends on how well you are able to do the exercises, how well you are recovering from the surgery. One very important thing which you can do to optimize your recovery after surgery is to do physiotherapy before the surgery. So somebody who has undergone a prehab, that is physiotherapy before the surgery, has faster recovery post the surgery. By around 6 weeks you can completely bend your knee joint. You can join a gym, you can do stationary bike there, you can do half squats, half lunges, exercises to improve the strength in your knee joint. Typically around the 3 to 4 month mark, you can start jogging on a treadmill and you can transition to running outside. Now what about return to sports? So return to sports essentially depends on what all injuries were treated inside, what graft was used, and how your knee is recovering. So return to sports is faster when we use grafts such as the bone patella tendon bone, because there is bone at both the ends, so there is a faster healing, and return to sports can be initiated typically after 4 to 5 months of surgery. However, in soft tissue grafts the healing takes slightly longer, and by around 6 months post surgery individuals can return to sport. There are two aspects of recovery from an ACL surgery: getting the movement and strength in your knee joint and recovery from pain. It is not a very painful surgery. So as I said before, the first session of physiotherapy is painful. The anesthetists generally give you a spinal anesthesia or a spinal epidural anesthesia to control the pain during and post surgery. So typically after the first session of physiotherapy, pain starts coming down, and generally the same day or the next day you are quite comfortable with regards to discharge. Yes, it will pain during the initial sessions of physiotherapy, but if you rough it out, pain will generally come down and you will be quite comfortable. ACL surgery is a very gratifying surgery. It's probably one of the most common surgeries done across the world for individuals having ligament injuries in the knee joint, and it is one of the most common arthroscopic surgeries which has shown over a period of time good to excellent results. People are able to resume sports and athletic activity. So I would like to hear from you with regards to your journey. What was your experience post the ACL surgery? Because any experience you share will enlighten a lot of people and we can add new things based on your experience. So do reach out to us, share your experience, subscribe and like our channel. Thank you.